In today's video, I'm going to be doing something completely different, and that is spending $20 on Facebook ads. And that means I'll be spending $5 per day for the next 4 days. I know you are interested in this, so make sure to stick to the end of this video, as I'm going to be documenting the whole process in this video, and you can follow along if you want to replicate this same strategy. And also, I have a roadmap which is going to serve as a guide for me throughout this journey, and we are going to see if we end up making money from these ads or not. As you can see right here, the traffic source I'm going to be using is Facebook, and like I said, I'm going to be spending $5 a day for the next 4 days, which makes a total of $20. And then I'm going to be using Digistore24 as the affiliate network to promote products with these Facebook ads. Okay, and as you can see, my target country is United States, and the commission I'm going to be getting is between $5 to $10 because I'm not spending so much on ads. So it only makes sense for me to select a product that is going to give me a reasonable payout within my ad budget. So if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You'll definitely find other interesting videos. So like I said, I'm going to be documenting everything throughout this video. So the first thing we are going to be doing is to create a Facebook ads account, and to do that, all you need to do is to go over to business.facebook.com, which is then going to bring you to this page. You can log in to an existing Facebook account if you have one already, or you can use your Instagram account. So if you don't have a Facebook account, all you just need to do is to click on create new, and you'll be able to create a brand new Facebook account, which you will then be able to connect to a business manager account where you'll be able to then run Facebook ads. All right. So for me, I already have a Facebook account, so I'm just going to click on login. So once you successfully create your ads account, it should look like this. As you can see, I have no campaigns, no ad set, and I don't have any ads on this account because it's relatively new. So all you are going to do from here is to then come over to this section that says create ad. So once you click on this, it's then going to bring you to this page. Basically, it's going to ask you to choose the objective of your campaign. As you can see, Facebook has various objectives for your campaign. As you can see, we have awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. And like I said in the beginning of this video, we want to make a sale, so it only makes sense for us to select a sales objective. So once you select sales objective, all you just need to do is to click on continue. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you to either select Advantage Plus shopping campaign or select a manual setup. I highly recommend to go for manual setup, as it will give you more flexibility to customize your campaign and fine-tune it to your liking. Okay, so here we are going to then give our campaign a name. So I'm just going to type in my campaign name as DG campaign. Okay, so all you just need to do from here is to simply scroll to the very bottom and you want to click on next. So it's going to bring you to this page where we are going to start customizing our ad sets. So I highly recommend to give your ad set a name. So for me, I'm just going to name it DG ad set 1. Okay, so you can give it any name you want. All right, so now once you do this, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you, how do you want to get your sales conversion from Facebook? Do you want to get it through website and app, messaging apps, or through calls? So for me, I'm going to select through messaging apps because I want people to contact us for the affiliate link, because once these people reach out to us, we know they are very interested in this product. That way, it's also going to serve as an asset for us, as if they don't even purchase the product the first time, we can always recommend even more products to them because they already reach out to us, and we can always resend them even more affiliate products. Okay, as you can see here, people will be able to contact you through Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It's then going to ask you to create a Facebook page if you don't have one already. And creating a Facebook page is very easy. All you simply need to do is to go to your main Facebook account, and you want to then come over and click on this menu button. So if you click on this button, it's basically going to show you a lot of options right here. As you can see, you want to then make sure to click on page. So once you click on page, it's going to bring you right here, and this is where you'll be able to create a Facebook page. Okay, but before we create a page, we want to make sure the page is in consonance with the Facebook product we are promoting. And that brings us to the step where we want to then go over to Digistore 24 to pick a product so that we will be able to create a Facebook page that is in relation to the product we are promoting. I hope this makes sense. So you then want to head over to digistore24.com. For those who don't know, this is one of the biggest affiliate network out there. And as you can see for yourself, they've paid over $3 billion to affiliate. And as you can see, over 5.5 million products have been sold on this platform just last year alone. So once you come over to this website, all you just simply need to do from here is to click on the Get Started button. Then once you do that, you want to basically enter a username, an email address, your password, and you want to make sure to select this section that says I'm an affiliate and I primarily promote the products of other vendors. Then you want to check this box and you want to click on continue. So as you can see, I just created a brand new Digistore 24 account for this purpose alone. And as you can see here, all the earnings and everything on this account is zero. So you want to make sure to then come over to the top here and you want to click on marketplace. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to the Digistore 24 marketplace section. And this is where you're going to get access to various digital and physical products from Digistore 24 that you can start promoting right away. So now we are going to scroll down to the very bottom of this account and you want to go over to the product price section. Just like I showed you earlier in the framework we are following to run this Facebook ads, as you can see here, we want to target product that is going to pay us $5 to $10 in commission, so that even if we make just one sale, we have already made our money back in Facebook ads. Okay, so you want to come over here, you want to select a price range between $5 to $10. As you can see here, it's then going to show us a lot of products we can promote right away. As you can see, this one for $6, for $5. So basically you can see these are a lot of products right here we can start promoting right away. So for me, I'm going to select this product here, which is 1000 plus chat GPT prompts for affiliate marketing. Just like we know, AI is taking over and a lot of people are currently looking for ways they can make money online using AI and letting AI do all the hard work for them. As you can see right here, we can have access to the sales page of this product, and also the vendor of this product has provided us with affiliate resources right here, which we can then use to promote their product. Okay, so now we are going to check out the sales page and the affiliate support page. So as you can see right here, this is the sales page of this product. So once people come over to this page to download this ebook, we are going to get paid $4, as you can see right here. So basically all we need is about 2 sales and we are already in profit. And if we go over to the support page, as you can see here, they've provided us with scripts or emails we can then use to sell this product right here. So as you can see, there is an example of a very good email we can send to people. As you can see right here, unlock 1000 plus chat GPT prompts to supercharge your online marketing. And as you can see here, it gave people a lot of reasons to get this product, and you can see this is where you're then going to add your affiliate link, and once people purchase this product, you get $4.55. So basically we are going to be promoting this product right here. So what we are then going to be doing is to then come back to Facebook to create our Facebook page, since we now know the product we are going to be promoting from Digistore 24. So you can then type in any name that resonates with whatever product or niche you are promoting. So I'm taking this here as an example. All right, so you can just select something related to the product you are promoting right here, but this is not really necessary as it doesn't make any difference, since we are basically going to be using Facebook ads to make money from this page. So once you're done creating the page, you will then be able to connect it right here. So this section here is going to ask you to type in how much you want to pay Facebook for every result you get, or should I say every conversion or every sale you get. So I highly recommend to leave this blank. So all you then need to do is to scroll down where it's going to ask you to type in your budget. So like I said, we are going to be spending $5 every single day. So I'm just going to type in $5 right here. So once we type in $5 as our daily budget right here, as you can see, Facebook is going to show us estimated results we can get from spending $5 a day. As you can see here, we can typically get between 12 to 35 conversions, or should I say sales, every day from spending $5 on Facebook. Okay, so here you then want to select how long you want to run this campaign. So now we are going to be selecting our start date and our end date here. So like I said, we are going to be running this campaign for 4 days. All you then simply need to do is to come over to the location section, and this is where you want to target any country of your choice. Like I said, we are going to be targeting only United States because we are not spending a lot of money. Okay, so I highly recommend to target one country at a time. All right, so once you're done, all you simply need to do is to scroll down here, and you want to then click on next. So now we are now at the art level, and this is where we are going to be creating our creatives to promote this ad. And now we want to give our creative a name, so I'm still going to type in DG First Creative. Okay, so once you type in a name for your creative, this is just to keep you organized. So once you do that, it's then going to bring you to this page where it's going to ask you, do you want to create a Facebook ads creative from scratch, or you want to use an existing post on your Facebook page? So you want to simply go back to your Facebook page, and you want to quickly make a post on that Facebook page. As you can see here, I already made a post on this Facebook page, and this is the post we are going to be using as our creative on this Facebook ads. As you can see right here, it's a very simple post showing a guy that is excited, and now it says POV, you just got 1000 plus chat GPT prompts for your business. As you can see right here, people are going to see this arrow pointing to this excited guy, and it's going to prompt them to want to get access to this chat GPT prompt, and then we will be sending them to this landing page. And once they promote this product, we make $4.55. So for those who might be wondering how I created this creative without having to hire freelancers on Fiverr, you can make this type of creative yourself. So to do this, all you need to do is to go over to jiffy.com, and you want to simply type in keywords, something like happy. Okay, so once you type in this type of keyword, you're going to see a lot of GIFs which you can then use to create creative. As you can see, this was the exact GIF I used from jiffy.com. All you just simply need to do from here is to copy the URL of this GIF. Then you want to go over to google.com and type in Jiffy downloader. So once you do this, you will then be able to download this GIF to your device. Just pasting the link right here, and you want to right click, and you can then save this GIF to your device. Then you want to then go over to canva.com, and this is where you'll be able to then add a text to this GIF. So as you can see right here for yourself, I added this other element to this GIF from canva.com. As you can see, I added 2 arrows right here and a simple text like this, and also this one right here. So basically just go over to the element section, and you'll be able to get an arrow which you can then add right here, and then you can come over to the text section, and you'll be able to add a text like this. So this is how easy you can then create a GIF using Canva and doing it yourself. Once you're done, all you just simply need to do is to click on the share button, and you will then be able to click on this download right here. So once you click on download, you want to make sure to download this as a GIF. Okay, you want to select GIF, and you want to then click on download. It's that simple. So once you download it, all you need to do is to upload it to your Facebook page like this, and you can add in a very simple text to your post like this: 1000 chat GPT prompts for every business need. So once you do this, you want to come to your post, and you want to copy the ID of this post. So once you copy the ID of this post, you want to then go back to your Facebook ads creation process. You want to then click on use existing post. So once you enter the post ID like this, all you just need to do is to click on this check button, and it's going to import your post. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. So I highly recommend to come over here and click on this edit button. So you want to come over to this text section, and you can change this to something like this: kindly reply yes to send you this ebook. So you want to come over to these frequent questions, and you want to remove all of this, as we are not going to be needing this section. Okay, so you want to delete everything. And now once people start replying you, this is where this email script here comes in. Once they reply you, all you simply need to do is to come over here. You want to edit this to their name. You want to then come over to this section that says secure your copy here, and this is where you're then going to insert your Digistore24 affiliate link. And to find your affiliate link, all you need to do is to come back to the product page, and this is where you want to then click on promote now. If you do this, you'll be able to then copy your affiliate link. So you want to make sure to include the affiliate link when sending this script to people. I highly recommend to use website like bit.ly.com to shorten your affiliate link. So once you're done, all you just need to do from here is to then click on publish. Now our ads will be sent out for review, and once the ad gets approved, we are going to start getting traffic and people will start sending us message. And like I said, you want to then send them a pre-written script provided to you by the vendor of the product. The 4 days of the campaign is now over, and now we are going to take a look at how this campaign performed, and we are going to see if we made any money or not. As you can see here, with this campaign I got 15 messages, and if you come over here you can see this campaign got to over 5,000 reach, and as you can see here, with over 6,000 impressions. And as you can see, for every message we got, we spent $1.39 on Facebook ads, and as you can see, a total budget spent of $20. So now, did we make any money or not? I'm going to show you that in a moment. But first of all, the product we were promoting on Digistore24 got an increase to $5.08, which means for every sale you are going to now get $5 instead of $4.55. So now I'm going to go to my dashboard, and as you can see here, we made $5 yesterday and we made $5 today, which gives a total of $10.16. We are still at a loss of about $10 on this campaign. So the way I see this campaign, it's actually on a very good start because I was not expecting to make any money from this campaign. So basically, if I optimize this campaign, maybe by changing the creatives or selecting a different product or even trying a different type of campaign entirely, we might get into a profit zone. So at the end of the day, I spent $20 and I made $10 on Facebook ads, which still keeps me at a loss of $10. So was this all just sheer luck, or this method is going to even make me more money if I keep on running this campaign? Comment your thoughts down below. I'm curious to know what you think about these results. So if you like this video, I highly recommend to check this video on your screen right now for more ways to make money with Facebook ads.